All right, so welcome back. We've been getting the lay of the land of drawio, if you will. We'll continue laying the foundation so you can know all the tools you have at your disposal. In this video, we'll dive into the basic menu interface, editor tools, and features to help us build the flowchart. This is the completed flowchart that we'll be building. Let's look at some of the tools we have to create it. The right side of the diagram focuses on formatting, while the left side is all about shapes. You can add multiple pages to your diagram and navigate between them at the bottom of the page. Before you start diagramming with your blank canvas, you can modify the global settings of your diagram. This step is crucial because it sets the tone for the entire process. For example, if we need to go to the Style tab and select a pre-made color scheme and the Sketch option, our diagram will consistently follow these formats from this point forward, including many elements that you add from the shape library. All right, now let's build our flowchart. You can find it in the template manager from the Arrange tab. Once we've selected the flowchart we wish to use, we'll change the colors of a few shapes to better convey the purpose of our diagram. You can distinguish your yes and no connectors by changing their colors and making the line style dashed. Increase the stroke width by pressing Ctrl-Shift-A to select all edges or Ctrl-Shift-E to select all vertices. The scratch pad is your personal space to store frequently used shapes, groups of shapes, and even diagrams for easy access to use again and again. But keep in mind, your scratch pad is only visible to you and not everyone in your company. If you want to store custom shapes that your whole team can use, we'll cover that in another video when we get to customize shapes. And there you have it. Using the tools and features drawio offers has allowed us to create a flowchart that better visualizes the process that you may go through when your lamp isn't working. In our next video, we're dealing with connectors, so why don't you stay connected and click on the next video. I'll see you there.